Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully you guys are all doing well during this special time where we are all sheltering in place to hopefully stay safe. That's why we gotta be a little bit creative on doing our own nails at home. So I don't know about you guys, but I'm definitely one of those people that generally goes to the nail salon about every couple weeks to get a pedicure, a gel manicure, and the last couple weeks my nails have been completely naked. So I decided that I wanted to give at-home gel nail kit a try. So I went on Amazon and I picked one of the best sellers, and the one I decided to go with is by Beetle's Gel Polish, according to the Amazon website. It comes with the LED light, 6 colors, the top coat, the base coat, and then a bunch of little tools like nail file, cuticle oil, and all that good stuff. And the entire kit was only $50.99. So I am excited to give this a try. I've never done gel nails at home before, so I thought we would try to do it together. I haven't even opened the box yet. So it comes with this little plastic baggie, comes with a large nail clipper, 2 of these foam little separator dudes, and 2 nail files, a little detail brush, a cuticle cutter thingy, I think. Oh, cuticle oil, that's cute. And then one of these little guys. So it comes with the base coat and the top coat. Ooh. Wow, it comes with 6 different colors. Okay, it looks like it comes with one that's a really dark color, like a black, a dark red, a purple, kind of a maroon, a light pink, and a glitter. So nice little array of colors to choose from. And then this must be the light. Cool. So this is the LED light. Just sits on top of your table. And then up here, there's an on-off, 30-second, 60-second, and 2 minutes buttons up here. And then your power adapter. So I actually have already taken off my old gel weeks ago, but my nails are already prepped and ready to go. So I thought we could do the polished gel color together. It does come with a little application guide, which is really nice. But so basically all we have to do is apply the base coat on all the nails, and then you cure in the LED UV light for 60 to 90 seconds. Then you apply the gel color, then you cure the gel color for 60 to 90 seconds, and then you apply a top coat, and then you cure for another 60 to 90 seconds, and then you finish with the oil. So seems pretty easy. I think today I am gonna go with the color 251, which looks like kind of like a dark red color. I'm going to angle the camera so that you guys can see my hands. So I'll be right back. And it's pretty cool because the light actually turns on automatically when you put your hand underneath it. I don't know if you guys can see, but some of the base coat actually didn't cover the nail properly. It's almost like it pulled away from the nail a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to do another layer of the base coat to see if that will help. Okay, the second coat of the base coat seems to have made it pretty even. It doesn't seem to be pulling away from the nail at all. So I'm glad that that second coat helped, just because I was worried that if the base coat wasn't even, then the color definitely wasn't going to be even. I'm not sure if you have to shake it, but I am going to roll it around a few times just to make sure the color's even. It's a little bit strange. The color moves a little bit, like it's almost like it's not staying on the nail where I'm putting it. It's almost like because it's liquid, it's like pulling back a little bit. All right, so the first coat looks okay, but you see how some of it is pulling away from the tip of the nail. That's definitely not where I put it at first. So we shall see. Okay, so this is the first coat cured, and so yeah, I'm not really sure, but a lot of the polish is moving after I've placed it because it's like liquid. It's almost like sliding and shifting. It's definitely not that even. I'm going to do the second coat now and cure it, and then we'll see how that looks afterwards. Okay, so I think it looks a little bit better after the second coat. It does still have a couple light spots, so I think I might do a third coat even though it's getting a little bit thick, but I say why not? I'm just going to try a third coat just to see how it looks. Alright, so 3 coats, the color looks pretty nice and even. A little bit of mishap here and there. I need a little bit more practice. I haven't painted my own nails in a long time, but I'm going to do the top coat now. Alright, so this is with 3 coats and the top coat looking pretty good. I'm going to top with a little bit of the cuticle oil and I will be right back. Alright everyone, so I did it. I did my first set of gel nails at home by myself. So I must say they look pretty good, especially from far away. It's like a little bit of a Monet. I definitely feel like with a little bit of practice, I haven't painted my own nails in I can't tell you how long. Probably would say it was like 10 years ago. So I'm a little bit slow and I need a little bit of practice. I got a little bit on the sides, but with gel it's kind of nice. Once it's dried, you can just take a little bit of a file and file that away. And so I think a little bit of what I learned before I do it next time is I want to make sure that I'm buffing the top of my nail a little bit, and I wonder if that would help like the base coat stick so it wouldn't kind of like pull away from the nail, if you know what I mean. I do think that next time will already be better than this time because I haven't had my nails painted in a couple weeks, so the top of my nails were in pretty good like shiny shape just naturally themselves, and I probably should have buffed off a little bit of natural shine to help the layers stick. I think next time it will be okay because I'm going to be removing the gel myself, so I'm going to already be buffing away and getting all that nail polish off, and then hopefully next time I won't have the issue of the gel and the color kind of moving and pulling away from the nail. But honestly, even though I had a little bit of issues with the painting after 3 coats of the color is pretty even and the nail polish feels a little bit thick, but I'm okay with that. I do think it looks pretty good. But honestly, for the price, this entire kit that I got with all the tools for $50.99, and I just think that that is a really good deal. I am excited to try it again just to see if like the little tips and tricks that I learned, I'm definitely going to be buffing the nails, and then maybe if I do have more issues with the color kind of slipping and sliding, maybe cure it after every 2 nails or something instead of waiting to cure after doing the entire hand. But honestly, I feel very excited to have some polish back on my nails. I feel like my hands are back and they look normal again. So hopefully you guys enjoyed enjoyed watching me attempt to do my first set of gel nails, I definitely think that you guys could do it too, so I'll be sure to link what I used below. But overall, I'm really excited, just a couple things to learn here and there. And who knows, maybe if I get really good at this, I might not need to go to the nail salon as much when everything does open up, and I could save a little bit of coin and doing it at home myself. So I definitely want to go on Amazon and purchase some more colors so I can try it out at home. But you know, in this very strange time, you gotta get a little creative and start doing your nails at home. So definitely in a couple weeks, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to film a video where I give you guys an update to see how these nails held up. And then I'm also going to remove the gel nail polish here at home too, so you guys can see everything that I use and how I go about doing it. So hopefully that will be a helpful video for you guys to see. But thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I will be sure to link everything that I use below. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell so you know when I post my next video. But thank you guys so much for your support. Hopefully you are taking care of yourselves and each other, and I will catch you guys next week. Bye.